Hello bachcho, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, whenever you are watching this video. So today we are going to conduct a test on the work power energy. So first question is the drive the final velocity of elastic collision. Second is what is the statement of work energy theorem and prove it. Third one is what is the difference between conservative force and non-conservative force. Fourth question is if a body initially at rest, it undergoes one dimension motion with a constant acceleration. The power delivered to its proportional to time. So what is which one option is correct for this power? Fifth question is a body have a constant to move along the z-axis. The coordinate subjected to the force is this. So force applied on body is this, and ijk is the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis coordinate. What is the work done of force if body is moved from the 4-meter distance in z-axis? And sixth question is a bullet of mass this gram is horizontally speed is this strike a block of wood instantly come into rest with respect to block. The block is suspended from a ceiling of the means wire. Calculate the height of which block it rise. Also estimate the energy of heat produced in the block. That's it. Thank you.